Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to set up screen lock on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security and location, then go to the screen lock. So you can select one of these methods. I'm just gonna go for PIN. So here you have to enter your PIN, then you have to wait. I did it wrong. Can I go back? Here you have to enter your PIN, then confirm it, then select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or just don't show notifications at all. And lock screen added. And now, as you can see, I can't unlock my device without entering the PIN. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.